G'day everyone, Peter Noakes here again with another video. Today we're talking about hand sanitizer. It's a bit of a hot topic at the moment, so I figured we'd talk a little bit about it. Hand sanitizer is actually in really high demand right now, as you can imagine. So the property team have installed as many of these as they can get and have placed a big order for replenishment of hand sanitizer around the workplace. Really important that staff remember that if you come across a hand sanitizer that is empty, to lodge the job on the Workplace Solutions intranet page, and I'll provide a link down below on where that is. We have gone about installing as many of these as we can, and we've put them in areas such as the lift wells, which are high traffic areas. We might use this opportunity to talk about the fact that the elevators are obviously causing some concern for people around social distancing. The truth of the matter is, we're not in lifts very long, so when you're in here for short periods, do your best to maintain social distance. But if you are finding yourself getting into a lift that's occupied by a lot of people, maybe just wait for the next one if you think it's a bit difficult. Just know the property guys are working daily with the building owner on ensuring that lift utilisation is spread out as much as possible. Let's go into the kitchen now and have a talk about washing our hands more generally. So with all that in mind, I want to remind everyone of what the advice is telling us, and that is washing our hands with warm water and soap is the best way to reduce the risk of transmission. So with that in mind, the property team have installed soap dispensers across the portfolio in all of our kitchens and made sure that all the bathrooms have soap dispensers as well. Now, with soap, the other thing to remember is washing your hands should take between 40 and 60 seconds to do it properly and ensure that the risk of germs and whatnot is as reduced as possible. So the best way to remember it is sing yourself happy birthday twice will give you enough time to have washed your hands adequately. And hopefully that gives you some more comfort that you've killed all the germs that you might have on your hands. The hand sanitizer is a great supplementation to good hand washing. It's not a good replacement. So we'll continue to roll out hand sanitizer as it becomes available, but for now, please remember that soap's the best option anyway. So keep using it as much as possible. So we've had a lot of questions too about what our cleaning regime is in the current environment. So Justin here is one of our many cleaners around the country, and we appreciate all the work he's doing. So the cleaners are working around the clock, morning and afternoon, to clean all the high-touch surfaces in the workplace. So in addition to everyone making sure they're washing their hands and sanitising and practicing good hygiene, the cleaners are here to ensure that all the surfaces also get wiped down and disinfected at the same time. So thanks so much for all your work, Justin. We really appreciate it. And yeah, make sure if you see Justin in the hallway or any of the team, just say good day and thank them for all their hard work. And yeah, we'll do a little bit of a update on what's been going on around this. That's it for today's video. I hope that gives some useful information and context around what we're doing in response to COVID-19 from a cleaning perspective. And I also hope that the hand washing tips are useful. There will be detailed posters up and about our workplace that you can refer to if you want some more information on that. I guess most importantly, stay safe and look forward to seeing you all in the next video.